Professor Guy Poppy is Director of Multidisciplinary Research at the University of Southampton. Guy, what's this week of various events about?
This is an annual event we hold to showcase the diverse range of activities in multidisciplinary research that we do at the University of Southampton. We've placed it in the middle of the National Science and Engineering Week because we want to not just educate people within the university about what is happening, but to consider wider audiences too.
And what sort of things will be happening?
Well, we have a series of lectures on key issues such as climate change. We have an interesting session called Question Time, which is with some neuroscientists, in which the audience will comprise school children, students, members of the public, asking questions probably about Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and a whole range of issues to do with your brain. And then we have another session in which people can learn how to be more sustainable, so they actually can make some products with recycled items, which combines art and design with engineering and a range of things like that.
So what's the impact of multidisciplinary research going to be in the academic world?
I think it is actually the way the future will be. It's quite clear that the disciplines themselves are very important, so being a mathematician or being an engineer is a very important way to be trained and can contribute to society. But the big challenges facing the world at the moment, such as feeding people or tackling ageing or obesity or supplying enough energy, requires teams of people to come together, and that's where engineers working with social scientists and geographers and mathematicians can come together using their ideas to actually produce a product which is much greater than any one of those can produce. And we're seeing it at the University of Southampton as we are now going up the international recognition and using this as a way of showcasing what we do at the university and getting reach to places we'd never got before.
And how are these things going to percolate into the wider society?
Well, wider society actually wants knowledge economy, some things that university is very strong in, to actually help it. I mean, it's very well working on a product or a paper if only two other people in the world are going to read that. What you want to do is produce something which actually society can see the benefits too. The government now are asking academics to highlight what impact they are having outside universities. Now, whilst I think it's important that we always have the impact of educating undergraduates, producing the knowledge for the future of society. But I think it is important now that we can show that our work on ageing can result in a product or a management which can actually improve the life and well-being of people in an ageing society. So I think it's exciting everybody, because I think everybody wants to see their work have use, and multidisciplinary teams can allow that to happen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.